the beach and the water. I'm in Panama City Beach. This water is amazing. It is clear, it is warm, but not too warm. It's perfect. No big waves, no S words, hopefully. But anyway, I'm actually gonna show you what we ate on our vacation here in Panama City. It was surprisingly easy to find healthy vegan options. That's always the key. It's gotta be healthy, not just vegan, but we found them. So I'm gonna take you along with us. I also made some food at home and brought it with. So let's dive into what we ate. Oh, hey! Before we continue, do you need new recipe ideas? Sign up for my newsletter. It's free. You'll be the first to get recipes, meal plans, exclusive content, and more. Sign up at sweetpotatosoul.com. First stop, Lotus Cafe and Juice Bar. We just had a great breakfast at Lotus Cafe, which is great because they had plenty of vegan options. Basically, they had non-vegan and then a vegan alternative. So I had the vegan breakfast bowl, and Baby J had the granola, which is so good, lots of fresh fruit, and also a smoothie. So now we're gonna head to the beach or the pool or hang out with my friend. I'm not quite sure, but we're leaving. We're gonna figure it out and go have some relaxing fun. Thank goodness we loaded up on plenty of high vibe vegan food at Lotus this morning. We headed to the beach and we spent the entire day on the sand with my dear friend Takia Mason and her family and bandmates. And yes, my girl and I are twinning in matching swimsuits from Icon Swim. I'll link them down below. But more importantly, I will also link Takia's music. She is amazing and so talented. We tanned, we swam, we ate, and we drank. I made the famous rose pineapple sangria for my blog. This is so good. Made it at home, brought it all the way down to Florida. So neither of us are really big drinkers, but we loved even just one glass of this pineapple rose sangria. I also made a big container of hummus before we left Atlanta, and it was the perfect healthy beach snack along with lots of fresh fruit. Okay, food aside, have you ever exfoliated with sand on the beach? It is a must for baby soft skin, honey. I had all the girls and boys on board with me. Now let's move on to day 2. We ate at Lotus again, y'all, and this time I ordered the loaded veggie burger. I made Baby J mac and cheese at the Airbnb, so she had that and some of my burger for lunch. I'm walking back to the beach right now. Had to go to the car to get some utensils, but Baby J is gonna finish up her mac and cheese that I made. Oh, it's the easiest thing to make, guys. I'm gonna tag the recipe. So perfect for kids, for anybody. And I use Vanza pasta because it's made from chickpeas and it has a lot of fiber and protein. So I feel like she's having healthy comfort food. I also have some books here and a kite that I'm going to read. Taki is reading Baby J a book, so time for me to read my own right now. After the beach that day, we headed to Sue's Thai, which is next to a pool hall. So my baby girl learned how to play pool in Florida while we waited for our food, y'all. Now this place can make almost all of their dishes vegan. Yay! And honestly, it was super tasty. Only there was no tofu, so no protein for us vegans. And y'all know how I love my plant-based protein. Our final day.
Yes, it was so nice.
It was
refreshing.
So relaxing. Yeah, refreshing.
What was like your highlight?
My favorite thing was just chilling with you guys on the beach.
Yeah, it was so
doing nothing.
Awesome.
The food was good.
Yeah.
Our third visit to Lotus Cafe, I ordered the curry and I scarfed it down so quickly, I didn't even remember to take a picture for the video. I'm sorry. It was really good.
Next time, I want you to spend some time at night on the beach.
Yeah.
With the stars. Because it's a whole nother vibe. Being in the sun was definitely refreshing. And the water.
We need to go to Puerto Rico together though.
Puerto Rico is next.
ASAP. We'll be on the beach all night. That's where you're going to catch us next, y'all. We're serious about going to Puerto Rico next, so please, friends, send your recommendations for vegan restaurants and fun things that we can do. We are hungry for more beach and more food. Thanks so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one.